দেখা যায়।
So, terpenes are large and diverse class of organic compounds made from repeating isoprene unit, where each isoprene unit has the molecular formula of C5AG. They are produced mainly by plants, but they are also found in some insects and microbes. Terpenes are considered the largest class of plant secondary metabolites. They are called secondary metabolites because they are not directly involved in plant growth or reproduction, but they help plants survive by protecting them from pests and diseases and by attracting pollinators. Terpenes also give many plants their characteristic aroma, such as the smell of lemon, mint, and thyme. Now let's talk about the classification of terpenes. Terpenes are classified according to the number of isoprene units they contain. First comes monoterpene. It contains 2 isoprene units giving 10 carbon atoms. An example is limonene found in citrus fruit. Next is sesquiterpene. It contains 3 isoprene units and the total carbon number is 15. An example is farnesene. Third is diterpene. It has 4 isoprene units making 20 carbon atoms. Phytol is an example of it and it is a part of chlorophyll. Fourth one is triterpene. It contains 6 isoprene units and the total number of carbon is 30 and squalene is its example. And finally, tetraterpene. It contains 8 isoprene units making 40 carbon atoms and the example is carotenoid, the pigment which is responsible for the orange and yellow colors of many fruits and vegetables, including carrots, tomatoes, etc. Then comes the functions of terpenes in plants. Terpenes perform several important functions in plants. First, they protect plants from insects and herbivores by repelling pests or reducing their disease. Second, they defend plants against pathogens such as fungi and bacteria because many terpenes have antimicrobial properties. Third, terpenes attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Many flower fragrances are produced by volatile terpenes, which help pollinators locate flowers, improving pollination and seed production. And finally, terpenes help plants cope with environmental stress such as heat, drought, and ultraviolet radiation. For example, neem contains terpenes that repel insects. Citrus fruits produce terpenes responsible for their pleasant fragrance, and pine trees release terpenes as a defense mechanism. Now let's talk about the agricultural and economic importance. Terpenes are highly important in agriculture and industry. At first, they are used as natural pesticide and insect repellent, making them an environmentally friendly alternative to many synthetic chemicals. Number 2, many essential oils such as peppermint and eucalyptus oil are rich in terpenes. Third, terpenes are widely used in the flavor and fragrance industries because of their pleasant aroma. Fourth, several terpenes have important medicinal uses, while others are being studied as renewable biofuel sources. And as agriculture moves towards sustainability, there is growing interest in developing terpene-based biopesticides that are safer for humans and the environment. Now we will talk about the medicinal importance of terpenes. Terpenes have a significant medicinal value. Artemisinin, obtained from Artemisia annua, is one of the most effective medicines used to treat malaria, and it is released from terpenes. Paclitaxel, originated from the yew tree, is an important anti-cancer drug used in chemotherapy. And lastly, menthol, which is obtained from peppermint, is widely used in medicine, toothpaste, and personal care products because it provides a cooling and soothing effect. These examples show that terpenes are valuable not only in agriculture but also in healthcare. Lastly, we have come to the conclusion. To conclude, I'd say Terpenes are one of the largest group of plant secondary metabolites. They play essential roles in plant defense, pollinator attraction, and adaptation to environmental stress. They also have wide applications in agriculture, medicine, food, fragrance, and industry. With increasing demand for sustainable farming, terpenes have become increasingly important as natural and environmentally friendly alternatives for crop protection. So that's all. Thank you all for your kind attention. Thank you, sir.
ফ্রেগনেন্স হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হয় এরকম একটা টারপিনের উদাহরণ দিতে পারবা? বাংলাদেশে খুব বহুল প্রচলিত, সিলেট বিভাগে বিখ্যাত। হিসাবে ফ্রেগনেন্স হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হয় এই টারপিনয়েড সিলেট বিভাগে খুব প্রচলিত আছে, কি কোনটা বলতে পারবা?
লেবু।
তোমার বাড়ি কোথায়?
আমার বাড়ি সিলেট।
হ্যাঁ,
সিলেট।
আচ্ছা, সিলেট বিভাগের মধ্যে আছে। এটা হলো মৌলভীবাজারে আগর। সিলেটও পাওয়া যায়। এই আগর থেকে যে আতর হয় এটা কিন্তু তোমার টার, ঠিক আছে? সেজন্য এগুলো সৌন্দর্য। আর তোমার লেখাগুলো ছোট হয়ে গেছে, যখন প্রেজেন্টেশন করবা লেখার সাইজ আর একটু বড়, মিনিমাম 20 বা 22 থাকা দরকার প্রেজেন্টেশনের সময়, ঠিক আছে? যেমন যে আগে যেগুলো কি করছো তার প্রয়োজন হলে যদি জায়গা কম আসে আমরা অন্য আরেকটা স্লাইডে চলে যাই, অসুবিধা নেই। লেখার সাইজ আর একটু বড় করতে হবে। ওকে, ধন্যবাদ। নেক্সট আসো।